Hello and welcome to Optimizer's YouTube channel, your online marketing expert. Are you a locksmith eager to unlock the secrets of effective business marketing? Then get ready for a journey that will transform your online presence. Let's dive into the world of PPC management, the cornerstone of successful locksmith marketing through Google AdWords. PPC management, or pay-per-click management, is the key to marketing your locksmith business through Google Ads. Imagine reaching potential customers precisely when they need your services, simply by creating ads that appear when relevant keywords are searched. To outshine your competitors, you need a strategic edge, and that's where PPC management shines. It's all about 3 crucial steps. 1. Keyword research. Identify the most effective keywords related to your locksmith business. Think locksmith near me or locksmith New York. 2. Campaign management. Craft compelling ads and launch them on Google AdWords. You can either hire professionals or DIY. 3. Conversion tracking. Analyze ad performance using tools like Google Analytics. Measure success based on new customer generation. The benefits? Oh, they're plentiful! With PPC management, your business gains visibility, attracts new customers, and achieves tangible result. PPC drives traffic, accommodates various budgets, and offers unmatched flexibility in ad customization. Before embarking on your PPC journey, ensure your website is polished, AdWords ready, and equipped with relevant keywords. And if you're not quite the PPC guru yet, fear not. You can always outsource this task to experts at an affordable cost. So, are you ready to take your locksmith business to new heights? Harness the power of PPC management and watch your online presence soar. Contact us today. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more tips. I know you still have questions on your mind. Check out more of our videos to learn valuable tips, tricks, and strategies for enhancing your business's online presence.